Hello viewers, welcome to I M Chemist, and today we have another MCQ from thermochemistry, in which it is saying that in a saturated solution of silver chloride, the molar concentration of silver ion and chloride ion is 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar each. What is the value of KSP? Now what is KSP? KSP is known as solubility product. It is the solubility product. Now we have a chemical equation that says when silver chloride ionizes, it produces two types of ion. One is silver ion and second one is chloride ion. The concentration is given in the question that for silver ion concentration is 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5 molar. Similarly, for chloride it is also, this is minus 5. For chloride it is also the same, because it is saying that each means for silver ion it is the 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar, and for chloride ion it is also 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar. KSP expression would be like this: KSP is equal to concentration of silver ion and concentration of chloride ion. These square bracket represent concentration, so we are going to put the values. So KSP is equal to 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar multiply, we have to take the product of both these, so 1.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 molar. So finally we got our answer, that is 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 10. Hence, the right option would be option number D. For more videos, stay connected with I M Chemist.